Jeśli będę u nas, tak to musisz pić normalnie, bez dowodu.
Tuba. Oh, tuba. Oh, meron din silang tuba rito.
Tamburczak. Wedle nas. Całe Westminster.
Tubang-tuba nga. It's pero hindi siya galing sa niyog. Sa grapes.
No,
No, walang halong alcohol.
No, tak to je dobre,
Talagang
bo to nevydrží
pure grapes.
Brali bo v tých stánach a tak pili.
Ito, pero
za chvíľu to spadne a konec.
Tak tým
kung
voskom
sa,
zasypkan na
hindi pa sa fermented.
umie prodať.
Matamis.
Tak tam byla žízeň a to bylo, to se dobře pije.
Ito yung kung sa atin yung sa umaga pag kumuha ka ng tuba yung wala pang udlot.
Nalepené?
Hindi pa nakakalasing. Ito siya.
Ježišmatko.
Masarap to sa guts.
Tam tam tie žasy malujú, lepiu a točí.
Ty teda můžeš písek rozmetat, mám místo mámy. Budeš mít nos jak bambul a klinku od blaznice.
How does it taste?
Hodný sa pozná.
Pořádně se
Good.
napí a
Oh, nakatikim ka na ng tuba pero kwan po yan
můžeš
non-alcoholic.
pít, to je také slabé.
Ona tak
Yan.
inteligentne pije.
Hindi pa siya fermented.
Dobré, ještě, napí se ještě.
Poznáte sa. Ja, dobrý.
Cucky ještě.
Ja tego dobre. Hodný sa ešte.
Doleju a
Wow.
chce to vyto, bo to zachází.
Astrid de Milan, where did it come from?
A odkud to je?
Z Moravy.
Moravi.
Co to jmenovalo?
Oprahni tu svoje.
No, Znojmo, oblast Znojma.
May I see?
Yes.
Look at her. So beautiful. Where are you going?
To my teacher's wedding.
Your teacher's wedding day.
Yeah.
So are you going to attend
Yeah, but only for like the ceremony.
ceremony? Yeah, I know. Wow, it's a beautiful pink eye.
So this is what I have on. And I'm gonna pick up my friends soon because the wedding here is in our village.
That is why.
Yeah. So I have time. I have all the time in the world, but I'm gonna pick up my friends and maybe they'll come here.
Okay, say our best wishes to your teacher.
Yeah, I wrote it down.
Okay. Beautiful, you look beautiful, baby.
Kita.
Maganda na. Malapit na talaga matapos. Ito na lang yung kulang, oh. So, patapos na. Ay, okay. Ito naman yung kay Hana, oh. Kanyang bagong pinakialaman na area rito. Tsaka ito. Nalagay niya ata doon. Hindi pa ito tapos. Kahit dito, hindi pa tapos. Ang manok ng kapitbahay. Tinanong ko sila kung ilang itlog ang napoproduce. Araw-araw, hindi bababa ng 10 itlog. Lakas mang itlog, yung lahat na to. Oh? Libre sila itlog. Talaga naman. Kwanto mga 6-7 to Ito. Okay, si Hana at Sofia nag-attend ng kasal. So, kasi yung teacher nga ni Sofia ay kakasal dyan sa Meradun Church. Linggo ngayon, ang nangyari, si Sofia meron siyang appointment dito sa kanyang mga kaibigan at sa kanyang pinsan dito sa Opava. Dahil nga linggo, sobrang dalang ng bus. So, bago siya umalis sa bahay, chinek niya yung bus timings. So, ayun na. Umalis na siya. Pumuntan siya ng bus stop doon sa amin. Tapos, chinek niya uli yung bus. Taka siya. Hindi dumadating yung bus. Mali pala yung schedule ng bus na check niya. Tapos, tumawag sa akin. Tatay, can you please give me lift? Because I missed the bus. Yun ang pagkasabi. So siyempre, hindi mo maayawan kasi nga ang appointment niya sa kanyang mga kaibigan na magkita-kita dito sa Opava is alas 2. So sabi ko, sige. So madaling sabi, pinatid ko siya rito sa Opava. Ito ngayon ang problema. Pabalik ng village, alanganin na naman ang oras. Sabi niya, matatapos na yung kanilang mga paglalakwat siya rito sa Opava, mga alas 5. But 5 o'clock and onwards, hanggang 6:28, walang bus. So, sabi na naman sa akin, pwede ba tatay, hintayin mo naman ako? So, kaya ka, nandito ako, nag-aantay na naman sa kanya. Nandito ako sa food court, dito sa Breda. Naka isang cup ng kape na ako, ubos ko na. Tsaka bumili na rin ako ng tubig. So, okay lang mag-antay. At least alam kong makaka-uwi siya ng maayos, safe. Kaysa mauna ako at mag-aantay siya ng bus ng 6:28. Ang oras is alas 3 pa lang ng hapon. So, may mga 3 oras pa ako rito sa Opava town. At hindi ko alam after nitong coffee, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Hindi naman ako makapasyal kina Mel kasi may pasok sila. Mamaya pa yung off nila ng alas 6 ng gabi. So, antayin ko na lang. Siguro, ikot-ikot na lang ako ito sa loob ng mall. At sa labas, mamaya siguro sa park. Yun.
So we went to Opava, right, Tatay? Tatay dropped me off in Breda. I went with my friends and my cousins out. So Tatay, he waited for me in 3 hours. Are you okay, Tatay?
Yeah. For you.
And I was in Breda just like walking around in the mall.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it's fun.
Did you have nice time?
Yeah. I had food and we walked around and then we went to their house. So, yeah, that's what we did today. I also went to the hairdresser, I got my hair done. Oh, hair stylist, whatever it's called.
Time to go home, right?
Yeah, time to go home. Okay, bye.
Yeah. So, nasa town kami ngayon kasi nagyaya si Hana na mag-breakfast dito. Hana has 1 week off.
And it's the first ever my holiday that I don't need to pack luggage and going somewhere, you know. So just only enjoying my holiday.
Yes. And you know already Sophia, right? From our family videos.
Yeah.
I am officially endorsing Sophia to you guys because she has started her
On
YouTube channel. So this is what you're gonna write to find Sophia YouTube channel. So at Sophia Alintahan.
Yeah, just my name.
Just her name. Please, let's give Sophia a full support. Okay. So dito si Hana. Ito yung bank ni Hana. Ang nangyari kasi, pumunta muna siya sa kanyang therapist. And then, naghabol kami rito ni Sophia sa Opava.
Sit down.
At yun, sabi ni Hana, i-meet up namin siya rito sa may Opava Town Center para mag-breakfast dito. So, ewan ko kung saan siya magbe-breakfast. Darling, where are you going to take us?
Dolce Vita.
Where is it?
Over there, you
Over
know,
there.
you've been over there.
Okay, I've been there once. Okay, let's go.
We're gonna
Let's go
try
now.
something else today.
Pag umaga pa talaga rito sa may Opava Town. Alam mo, tahimik pa rin. Kasi nga, alam mo na, mga tao na sa opisina siguro. At yung town hindi talaga siya busy. Pero makita mo sa coffee shop nila, puno yung mga tao. Gawa nga na nagbe-breakfast. Parang common din dito na yung family pag walang ginagawa, ganito si Hana. Nagyayaya talaga na labas tayo for breakfast. Usually sa ating mga Pinoy, di ba? Labas tayo for dinner. dito naman sa kanila, parang naging normal sa mga European na labas tayo for breakfast. So, yan, nalabas kami for breakfast. Pagkatapos siguro ng breakfast ay uwi din. So, dito kami ngayon sa coffee shop na parang restaurant. Maganda rito sa labas kasi meron silang talagang nice place to relax and to have nice breakfast. So, sino magbabayad? Who will pay?
Okay, batu pick.
Joke. Alright. Cheers. Enjoy your breakfast. Coffee breakfast. Sophia water only. Mine is Americano and soya milk. What's your coffee, darling?
I have a latte
Latte?
with soya milk.
With soya milk.
Silver.
Ito yung aking breakfast. So pinagbigyan ko sila ni Hana. Ito talagang maganda to. Good fats, avocado. Tapos meron namang protein yung salmon. Tsaka bagel. Yan kay Hana.
This one are super delicious, really. This Holland sauce is really tasty, like a proper Holland sauce. Do you remember when I did once them in England? Delicious, really delicious.
It's nice to have a family breakfast like this, right? Kasi minsan sa atin, lalabas tayo sa mall, pupunta ng mall, lunch, at dinner, gano'n. Ito yung naiba. Lalabas kayo para lang mag-breakfast. Enjoy the breakfast, Pinkay.
Thank you, guys.
No cheese.
Because I cheese. I just only wasps. I hate them.
May patsukon. Sarap talaga. Sarap yung combination ng avocado at saka salmon. Is that wasp?
Yeah.
Malaking patsukan. Patsukan tawag yan sa amin eh. Ng pinig. Malaki. Pero hindi naman nangangagat. For me, Opava is ideal for retirement.
Oh my goodness,
Oh
we
my
have so many wasps
Quiet.
here.
Oh my god. They smell our food. Busog. Tapos na aming breakfast. Time to go home. Our new vloggerist. Nag-inquire ako rito sa gym na to. Murang-mura yung gym na to sa Opava. So, free tryout.
So you're going tomorrow as well to try?
I think so.
Okay.
Because it's cheap. It's all really, this is the cheapest gym I ever know. Look, this is a tricep. Dapat
Oh God, I know.
your bottom is out. Yeah. Kompleto sila na equipment. Dito lang to mismo sa Opava Town Center. Yung bus stop andyan na. Oh. So I think I'm gonna try. What do you think, Pinkay?
I think this is nice.
Yeah, I really like this gym. Really.
You know, I think I'm
And it's really cheap. Sa Philippine peso, mga 200 pesos a week sa Philippine peso. Kasi may promotional.
I think I'll stick to our home gym.
No, but I don't have enough equipment for home gym. I don't have I need to more on legs.
For me, it's okay.
Wow, okay. Baby Batsko, Baby Yatsko.
Oh my god, you're vlogging it.
Yeah?
Ti masz nowe boty?
This is long time, Mamingkam. She's asking if I have new shoes. This is long time.
Dlouho už má ty boty.
Tell her that I have even 2 shoes that I have not worn yet.
Že on má už 2 boty, co ještě nenosil. Nové.
Potem nevím, co by mě tam, ale tam také velké skačem.
Yeah. So you have really big, like it looks like you're jumping.
Yeah. That's Under Armour.
But no, it's not correct. This is how mommy says it. Under the armor.
Under the armor.
Under the armor.
Alright, okay. I'm gonna change. Because it's getting warm. Kasi kaninang umaga, pagpunta namin sa Opava, nagbas kami nga ni Sofia. Malamig. Sa 12 degrees Celsius. So malamig yun pag 12 degrees. So, nag-sweatshirt ako. At ngayon mainit na. Nasa 23 degrees na. Pero nakauwi kagad kami. Hindi naman kami tumagal doon sa Opava. So, okay. So, that's all for today, folks. And see you next vlog. Again, please, let us give full support to Sophia's channel. Thank you.